Go, 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 go.
Let me know what you do. Alright.
We're going to start before Jimmy breaks. Alright, we got all four guys running. Thank you, turn marshal, for being so prompt. Or was I just late? I was just late, okay. Alright, race number 5, that is Nitro GT. Nitro GT, guys, get ready. Alright. They take this the short way as well. Alright.
Oh. That's done. It's done. Wyatt, it's not on. Wyatt, it's not on.
Is that Jimmy? No, that's not Jimmy. Oh, yes it is Jimmy this time. He's coming back down off the driver's side. On TQ, Wilson Wayne Lawler with 17.708.5.
Oh, time for tire.
Who's this? Who's this?
It's like old times, man.
So the baseball scope is in. Is it plugged in?
Ah! I think that's cool. Oh, it used to be like old times.
Ian still in the lead right now, Wayne Lawler with a 17.708. Ian is on a 17.718. Moves up to the second spot. Jimmy Lewis in there for third right now, followed by Matthew. 716.50. Leader space.
Different now, it's going down on quite a bit.
Ian Francisco to 24.7 that last lap. Kevin Hicks, Jimmy Lewis, Matthew. Right now his pace is 17.713.79. Got about 2 minutes and 55 seconds left on the master clock. Return marshal doing a great job. Fired up. Away they go. Ian Francisco still in the lead. Kevin Hicks second. Jimmy Lewis in third. Ian with a 24.1 that last lap and 26.6 for Kevin Hicks. Our race time down. 4:50 down, 2:10 to go. 4:50 down and 2:10 to go. This is our last round of RC Superbike.
You're
Nino,
not.
what's hanging down from my bike?
You're not. Kidding.
Parking.
Alright, time now. 5:30 down, and then a 30 to go. Ian Francisco, Kevin Hickson, Jimmy Lewis, followed by Matthew Sexton. Ian Francisco, 12 laps down for Bart Page.
Oh, it's stopped running now.
He's not far off Dwayne Lawler's TQ. Question is,
Low voltage.
Take that TQ. This is going to be his last chance to do it. Ian Page right
Low
now,
voltage.
17-709-84.
Check the plug. Plug.
17-707-53. There's the TQ. Can Ian pick up that pace to take that TQ away from Dwayne Lawler? You got a little less than a minute. His last lap was a 25 flat. Can Ian do it? Right now he's on a 17-709.
Go in.
Cutting it close. That last lap was 24.8. 17-708.88.
Can you let me go?
He needs 3 tenths. He needs 3 tenths, and he'll take that TQ. Can he pick up that pace? Right now he's running 17-708.88. 17-708.53 is the TQ. So he needs .52. We'll do it for him. Ian's coming around.
No, I choked.
Can he do it? Kevin Hickson. 31.5 that last lap. 17-708.80 is what he's on now. Watch the straightaway. Be careful on the straightaway. It is clear. And they all come down. They're trying not to touch. It's going to be their last. Keep going, guys. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Matthew, you're done. Kevin Hicks, you're done. Everybody else keep going. Matthew and Kevin Hicks are done. Everybody else keep going. Oh, we got a bike. Don't stop at the end of the straightaway. You still got bikes coming behind you.
I'm not trying to stop.
Ian, you're done.